Hiding object in Revit is very easy, but a little bit complex is unhiding. I will show how to hide and unhide object in Revit. At first you have to select object and then right click and then hide in view element. Just this element disappear. To unhide, you have to go to the reveal hidden element and then select this object and you have to unhide element. Just turn off the reveal, close reveal hidden element. Then this is unhide. Now if you want to hide a category, I just want to hide all the window here. Select object, then right click, hide in view category. All window are hidden. And now if you want to unhide the category, same way, reveal hidden element and then select an object, unhide category. This is how to hide and unhide an object.